How to merge multiple clips together. First of all, open the app on your device and create a new project or open an existing one. Once your project is open, tap on the timeline to start adding clips. Next, select the clips you want to merge from your media library. Tap on each clip to add it to the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Make sure there are no gaps between the clips so the video flows smoothly. Once all the clips are on the timeline, Vita automatically merges them into a single video. You can preview the merged clips and adjust their position, trim the edges, or add transitions to create a seamless flow. After reviewing your project, save your changes and export the video if you are satisfied. Now you know how to merge multiple clips together in Vita. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.